Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Sam's Club app. All you have to do in the first you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Sorry, we will go back here. It's going to show for you a list like this. You're scrolling down here. Click here on apps. You come to apps list here and there you're looking for Sam's Club app or just click on search. At here Sam's Club, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on force stop, click on OK. You're scrolling down here, click on storage, click on clear cache here. So then you just go to your Play Store, click here, you go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for Sam's Club, it's going to show for you like this. You will find there update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.